Peas, one of the easiest and fastest growing crops you can start. And today, we're giving them a head start in a simple cardboard egg carton. Let's see how well this method works. Starting seeds in cardboard egg cartons isn't just convenient. It's also an eco-friendly way to recycle materials while giving your plants a strong start. Let's walk through the process step by step. Egg cartons are biodegradable, provide natural compartments for seeds, and help maintain moisture levels. Peas are perfect for this method because they germinate quickly, usually within a week, so the cardboard has just enough time to hold up before it starts breaking down. This means we can transplant the seedlings directly into the soil without disturbing their roots. We begin by filling each compartment with soil. Peas prefer well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with a slightly neutral pH. A mix of compost and coconut coir or peat moss ensures good aeration. Peas don't like to sit in waterlogged soil, so avoiding heavy clay-like mixes is crucial. As we scoop in the soil, we leave a little space at the top so the seeds have room to settle in. Now for the fun part, planting the seeds. 1 pea per compartment. Just a single seed is enough since peas don't need a lot of competition. As we drop them in, we can already imagine how they'll soon sprout and stretch toward the light. Each seed gets its own little pocket, nestled in the soil, waiting for the perfect conditions to start growing. Did you know? Pea seeds can sprout in as little as 48 hours under ideal conditions. They contain enough stored energy to push through the soil quickly. And here's a cool one. Peas helped shape modern genetics. Back in the 1800s, Gregor Mendel used pea plants to discover how traits are passed down. So if you've ever wondered why you have your dad's nose or your mom's eyes, you can. Thank peas for that. Next, we gently cover the seeds with a thin layer of moist soil. This helps keep them in place and ensures they stay hydrated. We don't want to pack the soil down too hard, just a light covering so they can still breathe. Now, moisture is key. We lightly mist the soil to make sure it's evenly damp but not soaking wet. If we overwater, the cardboard might break down too soon, so balance is everything. To create a perfect mini greenhouse effect, we cover the trays with plastic wrap. The egg carton's natural height differences make it easy to stretch the plastic snugly over the top, creating a protective layer that locks in warmth and humidity. This is crucial for fast germination. A few small holes in the plastic allow airflow. Without them, too much condensation could build up, leading to mold or overly soggy soil. With everything in place, the trays are ready to sit in a warm, bright spot where they can begin their journey. And now, we wait, but not for long. In just a few days, these little seeds will start to wake up. Fast forward 7 days of good sunlight and boom, our peas have sprouted. The little seedlings are popping up, reaching for the sky. We compare 2 trays, one still covered, one already opened. The moment of truth, we peel back the plastic. Almost every seed has germinated. Fun fact, peas develop strong root systems very quickly, often twice as long as their above-ground shoots in the first few days. But the egg carton, it's looking a little soggy. Not surprising, but it's a reminder. These trays won't last forever. Good thing our plants won't need them much longer. Another week later, and look at these beauties. Taller, stronger, and even starting to develop their little climbing tendrils. Give them a string, a stick, or anything to grab onto, and they'll start climbing in no time. In the background, the other cardboard trays are also full of green life. This method really works. So, after all that care in growing the seedlings, it's finally time for the big move. But we have to be extra careful. The egg cartons we've been using to transport them are starting to get soggy from the moisture, so we need to handle everything gently to avoid any breaks. We carefully lift each seedling, making sure the roots stay intact and the delicate stems don't snap. Once the seedlings are snug in the crate, we load it into the car. It's like a mini road trip for these little guys, hoping the journey's smooth enough to keep them safe. Easy does it. Don't want to knock anything over now. We carefully carry the crate in, making sure the little guys stay safe and sound. Now, let's close this door. Not so fast. This door's got a mind of its own today. We give it a tug. Nothing. Another try. Still nope. All right, come on, we're not giving up that easily. Maybe a little extra effort? And there we go. Victory. The door is locked and the seedlings are safe. Gardening sure isn't boring, is it? A door struggle today and plants tomorrow. Let's see what's next. Stepping into the greenhouse, you get your first glimpse inside. The garden, still shaking off winter, looks a little rough around the edges. Bare soil, quiet beds, not much happening yet. But then, wait, what's that? One tree already, bursting with flowers. A little sign of what's coming. While everything else is still waking up, this one's way ahead of the game. Spring may not be here just yet, but it's definitely on the way. And here's the crate, safe and sound. It's getting dark now, so planting will have to wait. We'll let these little ones rest for the night. Tomorrow, it's planting time. Back in the garden, it's time for the final step. The seedlings, still sitting snug in their egg carton, are ready to go into the soil. But before we start planting, let's compare. Here's a pea plant that was sown directly into the ground a month ago. It's thicker but noticeably smaller than our carton-grown seedlings. Fun fact, peas started indoors often grow taller, but those sown directly tend to be tougher. All right, time to get these seedlings in the ground. Step 1. Tear the egg carton. Luckily, it's already falling apart, so this part is easy. Step 2. Dig a small hole, about 2 inches deep, just enough for the roots to settle in. Step 3. Check the roots. And look at that. Long, healthy roots. A great sign of strong plants ahead. Step 4. Place the seedling in the hole. Gently does it, making sure not to damage those delicate roots. And that's it, another step closer to a thriving garden. Want to see how they grow? Stick around, hit like, and follow for more. You can grow it.